Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be on some effective methods to back up Outlook emails following step by step. Outlook is a prominent email client provided by Microsoft. It is now a part of the majority of organizations for everyday communications. Email backup is an essential practice that every business strategy should include. Let's proceed with this video tutorial and learn how to smoothly back up Outlook emails. Method 1. Backup Outlook emails to PST. In this method, we will save the Outlook mailbox, emails, contacts, calendars, etc. back up to a PST file. To back up the data, perform the following steps. Open Microsoft Outlook application and go to the File tab in the top. Now, click on Open and Export and then Import/Export. From the Import and Export wizard, choose Export to a File and click Next. In the Next wizard, select Outlook Data File (PST) and click Next. Choose the folder to export data from and click Next. Choose a location to save your PST file. Click Finish. This will save all the selected mailbox folders from the Outlook account to a PST file. Method 2. Backup Outlook emails using drag and drop. Open the desired folder in Outlook, select the required emails, and simply drag and drop the selected emails locally to your computer. Here is a step-by-step process. Open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Navigate and go to the mailbox folder you want to backup. Select the emails, hold the Control key alongside clicking on each email to select as many emails you want to backup. Now, drag the selected emails and drop them to a desired folder on your computer. What is the best solution to back up emails from Outlook? These manual solutions are quite helpful in securing the mailbox data. However, you might lose the data if the resultant file generated with these methods is corrupted. To avoid such complications, we recommend the Kernel Outlook Recovery Tool. This software is known for its efficiency in recovering and saving data from Outlook mailboxes to PST, MSG, EML, PDF, and other file formats. It includes data filters to help you back up selective data, retaining data integrity and hierarchy with 100% accuracy. To get more information on the software, visit the web page mentioned below. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others who might benefit from it. To explore more such insightful tutorials and help videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Have a great day.